Hey, we moved up in weights a little bit. This is an R-Pod 203 at 5,100 pounds. You can still tow this with a half-ton truck or a full-size SUV. It's complete. It's very unique. It's a bunkhouse, and it's got a back door. We'll take a look inside.
Okay, back here you have a hide bed. It lets down to a full-size bed, neat, and a couch. You can use. It's got stools, nice boot with storage underneath, a two-burner stove, a good-sized microwave, a freezer, a refrigerator, pretty good size. Then it's got a good size little bath. Lots of storage space. And it has bunk, and then this will let down to a full-size bed here. And you also have a back door if this is up. Neat.